Yes, guys, great. So after finishing branch one headquarter service provider, just for Google, okay, I will not put it in the, I can put now OSPF because actually the Google scenario, it will be having BGP and all this stuff. I can combine these eights also to the OSPF, to the OSPF to be seen in the routing table for the service provider to simplify things. Or I can do NAT. Let me put in the service provider. So display IP interface brief. Yes, it's there. So let me get it here. And UTM OSPF 1 without router ID, OSPF 1, okay. Area 0. Now on router 8, just 48.48.48.0.0.0.0.255 network and 8.8.8.8 no dot 0.0.0.255. It's fine. This actually this router now should see the final end that I have here. 1s, 2s, 12. So let me see display IP routing table. Yes, BIOS, if you can see 48, no, it's directly connected. Yes, the 12, 13, 24, 30, 1s, 2. Okay, so now this also can see from this end to this end. Great. Now, if I want to try to ping Google the 888, did I put the IP here? Yes, 888, and the gateway is 8881. The gateway, this one is 8881. Let's try if we can ping. So ping 8.8.8.8. Of course, I will not be able to ping. Why? If I see here my gateway, the router, display IP routing table, let me maximize it. I don't have any clue about any service provider networks. So what we'll do is simply in your network, you will do a NAT. Also, it's PAT, port address translation, and how we can say it, we can name it Easy IP. Okay, here it has to work with the access list. In the sake, I will do the access list. I will do very simple, standard access list. So I will do access list 2000 and role 5, for example, permit source. I can put the source, I can put any. So any subnets coming from down to up. Okay. And I will equate, and I will go to interface G0/0/0, the outside interface connected to the service provider. And I will type NAT outbound and the access list number 2000. Great. Now, let me see, ping for Google. Amazing. Now, why? Because it's translating from my public IP address. All the PCs down will go from this my source IP address 1.1.1.2. Let me do display NAT session all. Okay, but let me do one ping more here. And yes. And again, do ping for me. And let me see what's going, what will be appearing in the NAT table. You see the NAT table right now? Yes, I have a NAT table. Just let me maximize it. And I will see, the source address is my private IP address, root front window.10. It's going to 8.8.8. Fine. So the new source address, it's NATed to my public IP address 1.1.1.2 and the protocol, etc. Fine. We are fine. Congratulations. Your infrastructure is going to the internet. Just let's do here also to check display IP interface brief in the branch one. I have display current include IP route. I have default route to there. It's fine, but I don't have NAT. So let me do the NAT. Access list 2000 and role 5 permit source any interface G0/0/0 here. Yes, NAT outbound 2000. And let me ping Google. Okay, great. So everything now is going to the internet and they are fine. So this is actually what we are expected from. So yes, guys, congratulations. Everything is working with us fine, with the redundancy, with all and everything. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed that.